Hi, I'm Rainbow Dash. Our big sisters are coming and we are very, very excited. Yeah, this is going to be the best day ever. Yeah, it's been since we were kids, since we've seen each other. Such a long time. Na 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 na. Is that our sisters? Na 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 na. You're here! We missed you! We missed you a lot. We also missed you, little sisters. We have a little surprise for you. We have a little surprise for you. Yeah. You just watch and you will love it. Okay, but first you need to introduce yourself. Okay, let's introduce ourselves. Okay, my turn. The queen of the world of diamond. You're not a queen, okay? Okay, fine. So, hi, my name is Verity. I love diamonds. My cutie mark is a diamond also. You see that? You see that? I got my cutie mark when it went crazy one day. One day, when I was a willy, I had to make clothes for a fashion show. But my clothes didn't turn out that great. The judge kept telling me to make better. So, one day, while I was at home trying to make my clothes, not my clothes exactly, the fashion show's clothes, my horn went crazy. It went like this. Sorry. It's okay. It went like this. So crazy. It took me a day. It went crazy for a day, an entire day. But I knew it was something to do with my destiny. So I just kept on going. So, after that, when it stopped going crazy, I felt relieved. But I said, my destiny is a rock? A rock? Seriously? And my hoof stomped so loudly, and my voice was so loud that the stone broke. And then inside was diamond. And that's how I got my cutie mark. You see that? It's so wonderful. 3 diamonds all at once. But 10 will be better. 20 will be better. 1,000 will be better. When I said introduce me and Rainbow Dash, actually, we never meant to introduce your entire past. Now it's Flutter Shy's turn. Move aside, okay? Fine. Flutter Shy, it's your turn. Come. I'm so excited. Come. Hi, I'm Flutter Shy. Today I'm going to introduce myself. This is my cutie mark. It's 3 butterflies because I love animals. They're my favorite things. They're just so soft, fluffy, and beautiful. I love them so much. Thank you. It's my turn. Oops. Hi, I'm Rainbow Dash. Today I'm going to introduce myself. I like to do sonic rainbows, especially during competitions when I can show everyone my sonic rainbow. I got this cutie mark with a sonic rainbow. You see? This cutie mark's all from a sonic rainbow. It has a cloud and it has red, yellow and blue. And this entire cutie mark represents I'm the best at sonic rainbows. Thank you. Now it's finally my turn. I hope I don't fall like always at that corner. Ah! I did it! I really did it! Yes! Hi, I'm Applejack. I live here and I love apples a lot. They're my favorite fruit. Can eat 5 5 apples in one day. 5 apples in one day. I love them so much. Though my cutie marks those 3 apples. I love apples so much. Oh, they're so juicy, yummy, crunchy. They're the best. Thank you. Okay, now sisters, come here. Whoa, why do I keep falling at that corner? Not fair, sis. It's okay. We are going to take you on a tour. Come on, let's go. So, this is the castle where we live. It's called the Two Sisters Castle. Because both of us live here and we both are sisters. These 2 are our guides. These 2, but there's still plenty more guards for this castle. Now, let's go around the castle. This is a bit bendy, I know that, but it's a very old castle. It was there even before you were born. Did you know that? No, we never knew that about this place. I'm thirsty. Now that you said it, I'm a bit hungry also. Oh, yeah, we should go to the front of the castle and we will eat something. I'm hungry also. We have 2 surprises actually. This surprise I will say. Okay, then I'll take them to the front of the castle and choose the spot. Fine, deal. Let's search for a place to eat. Ah! Hold on to something quickly. Yes. Oh, that's what you mean. 2 minutes later. The earthquake stopped. Yeah, it is. That's a relief. I'm tired of holding on to stuff. Me too. I'm also tired. No. Now let us find a place to eat. I'm finding. Okay, I think right here will be perfect. But what about my water? I'm thirsty. There's a water place close by. Let me take you. Oh yeah, I'm so thirsty. It's right here. Oh, I'll be back. You can go. Okay. Na. Let me start drinking some water. That feels nice. Let me just wash my face. I am feeling tired. Done. But so, where's the food? Oh, yeah, I need to go and get it. In a minute I'll be back. Here is the food. My biggest jump ever. Yeah, I think I didn't fly this time. I jumped. My biggest jump. It's carrot waffles and pancakes. Yeah, we eat a lot of carrot waffles. They're so yummy. I thought you said apples were your favorite. Yeah, but waffles with carrot in it is very yummy. I love that. Though I think maybe apple will be better. I love apples. Apple. Anyways, let's start eating. I'm so hungry. First, let's offer it to the guest. Okay. Done. That was a delicious meal. First, let me give you our surprise. Both of us will give it. We made a little cute song for us. Please take your seats, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, There's no gentleman. Okay, you please take your seat, ladies, and let us start the song. We love to enjoy with our sisters. We love to enjoy it from our heart. It has been a long time since we have seen each other. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. We will stay together forever. Oh, yeah, we will stay together forever. Oh, yeah, I love you. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Thank you. That was awesome, tactical. Very nice. But time for my game. It's called Simon Says. Do you know Simon Says? Yeah, I play it with the animals. Let's play Simon Says. So, who will be the judge? Me. Okay, actually not judge exactly. What I mean is the person who says Simon says this, Simon says that. Okay, yeah. Then I'll have to go right here. I'll stay right here. Na. Okay. Simon says jump up and down. Wee. Okay. Simon says turn around. Turn. Okay. Run everywhere. We are not going to do it. You didn't say Simon Says. Yes. Now that's how I like to play. Simon Says, hug your big sis, your older sister. Yeah, love you. Love you too. The cute one I just said. Say hooray. We are not going to even say it once because you never said Simon Says. Okay, yeah. Let's play something else. Yeah, maybe we should play something else. Instead, we can go on a walk or else. Let's go for a walk. Come. Come. Verity, I'll stay right here. Choo. Na. Hey, did you know that the Two Sisters Castle, it has billions of people who sometimes come to the ball, the party ball? It does? Yeah, it does. Really, it does. Ow, you're squeezing me. Sorry. Na. Oh, we are sleepy. Oh, it's getting dark. Oh, we better go to bed quick. Thank you for watching our video. We loved having you here. And I hope you enjoyed with us and our sisters. And tomorrow, we are going to be visiting the Castle of Friendship. It's going to be very fun. And we are even going to have a night over there. Yay! We hope to see you there too.